Every time you wash your clothes, up to 700,000 plastic microfibres escape into our water system. Over 1 million tonnes of microplastics are discharged into our seas each year. Microfibres carry ocean pollutants, which are eaten by marine life, which threatens the ocean ecosystem, marine and human life. "71% of the Earth's surface is covered in water. Our seas are full of life, and they support life on Earth. We are made up of water too, and the ocean is essential for our health and well-being. Plankton, which are at the bottom of the food chain, are eating microfibres released from our washing machines. Plastic particles remain in the water cycle, causing damage for generations. By simply fitting a Cleaner Seas Microfibre Filter to your washing machine, you can prevent up to 90% of the tiniest microfibres escaping into our ocean. Over a single year, your Cleaner Seas Microfibre Filter will prevent 91 million microfibres escaping from your washing machine, which means cleaner seas for everyone.